We put in 6 to 7 offers on houses and were bid out every time by investors, so it was definitely a really hard time, and we kind of decided just to give up right there. But again, working for Homes by Tabor, I had the opportunity to look at some of our options, and we found the one we loved. My name is Caitlyn, and I live in Nichols Creek. The most memorable part of my home buying journey definitely was being able to see all of the floor plans that Homes by Tabor offers. I'm very fortunate to work for Homes by Tabor, so I kind of already had an idea of what I was looking for. And at the time we had a few of those homes available that were already being built. So it was really just fun to kind of see the end of the build process. Oh, my favorite thing about our house is definitely our backyard. We've really been wanting to have a home where we can, let our dogs out. They can have their own space, and it's just been really fun to finally see them in that environment since we've lived in an apartment for about 6 years. So not having to walk them out every single time they need to, be let out is definitely very nice. The warranty department was very helpful. From the first time that I met with them at my initial walkthrough, we were able to kind of just walk through the home and talk about, everything that I needed to know on how to use the appliances in my home, the fireplace, the sprinkler system, and they were super helpful at that initial walk. We were kind of able to talk about any questions that I may have had, anything that needed to be fixed at that time. And then at the final walkthrough, we were able just to go over everything that maybe needed to be touched up, and then we were cleared to move in. I would absolutely recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family. It's been a really great experience, from the very beginning of going under contract to closing right next door to Homes by Tabor with OCA. So it's been an awesome experience, and I would recommend it to everyone.